Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox and review one other robot vacuum in my channel, which is the Laresar robot vacuum cleaner. So let's get to it and see what we have. We will dive into the heart of this device, examining its suction power and all-in-one capabilities, intelligent cleaning modes, sleek design, extended runtime, and also, as it says in the description, the multiple control methods. So let's jump in and explore how this robot vacuum functions. So the Laresar robot vacuum and mop combo boasts a remarkable 4500 PA hurricane suction. This powerful feature ensures that no debris, dust, or dirt stands a chance on your floors. And with a high-efficiency motor made in Japan, it provides exceptional cleaning, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an immaculate home. Of course, there are many robot vacuum cleaners out there, and what makes this robot vacuum cleaner stands out is its all-in-one functionality. So not only does it vacuum and sweep, but it also supports mopping. The separate dust container and water tank make maintenance a breeze. This versatility allows you to complete all cleaning tasks at once, ultimately saving you precious time. Here, as you can see in this cardboard, there is all the instructions how to run and install the app and connect it to your vacuum. It was super easy to do that. And also, as you can see, it comes with a dock charging station. So the first time you use it, it's better to leave it charged for at least like 35 to 40 minutes. It charges quick, and then you can use it. So this robot cleaner offers 4 distinct cleaning modes. The first one is zigzag cleaning, which is the auto option. Then it has the spot cleaning, which means it will start cleaning and will just circle around one specific area. Then it has edge cleaning, which is understood, and then it has random cleaning, which is basically it will start cleaning a little bit everywhere. And the option that I have right now is the manual cleaning. You just need to send it or direct it to the spot you want it to go and clean, and it will start cleaning immediately. So this ensures that you can tailor the cleaning program to your room specific needs. And furthermore, the intelligent carpet detection feature is a game changer, automatically increasing suction power on carpets, resulting in thorough and efficient cleaning. And with a robust 3200 mAh battery, this robotic vacuum can work continuously for an impressive 180 minutes. Yes, that's definitely impressive. So this extended runtime ensures that your cleaning tasks are completed smoothly. What's even better is its self-charging feature, as I'm sure every robot vacuum has this charging feature, but this one works like a charm. When the battery runs low or the cleaning is complete, the robot will automatically return to its charging base, eliminating the need for manual intervention. And here, as you can see, it cleans really well. It just needs to go through the spot once or twice, and that's pretty much it. It does really a great job from experience. I would say this vacuum is really fast and efficient and also durable, and especially for the battery power, it's definitely a game changer. Also, this vacuum offers convenience through its multiple control options. You can use the physical buttons on the device itself, the included remote control, or the mobile smart app for a comprehensive control experience, which is the one I prefer to use. I don't like no remote control, neither buttons, so I think their app is definitely doing the job. Moreover, it seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to control the robot with just your voice, which is even more convenient. And this makes it an excellent choice for those who appreciate smart home integration. In conclusion, I would say that the Laresar robot vacuum cleaner, with its impressive suction power, all-in-one cleaning capabilities, intelligent cleaning modes, slim design, extended runtime, and multiple control methods, stands as a testament to the future of home cleaning. It is not just a device, it's a smart cleaning device and companion that revolutionize the way you maintain your home. So just say goodbye to the hassle of manual cleaning and let the Laresar take charge. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and find this review helpful about this amazing robot vacuum. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. And also, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are looking for a robot vacuum. This helps a lot to grow the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.